Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So if you've got some problems with your camera, you can always try to reset the settings. And to do that, we have to obviously open the camera app. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the photo or the video mode. Just tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner. And just a quick disclaimer, I hope that you can see this special type of a grid line. I believe it's a golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So it should disappear after the resetting. So we can go, as I said, to the three bars icon and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find restore default settings and tap on OK. As you can probably saw, the settings flashed a little bit, blinked a little bit, so we can go back to the camera and check. Okay, so here we've got actually the very first evidence. Your device is asking you if you will allow the camera to access the device location, and this is the permission which appears when you're opening the camera for the very first time. So it worked, of course, and again the second evidence and the third evidence, because we can check the kind of a style which we will use during taking photos. And here finally we've got the third evidence, so we cannot find the golden spiral, and we successfully reset the settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.